To edit a formula, follow the steps shown on the screen. Take a look at the calculated total of the two values in cell B3. The result is 0 when it should be 11. This means that the formula in cell B3 is wrong and it needs to be edited. I will follow the steps shown on the screen to edit this formula. I first select cell B3. You can see in the formula bar that the formula is adding the values of cells C1 and C2 instead of the values in cells B1 and B2. That is why the result is 0. I need to correct this formula to make it add the values of cells B1 and B2. Second, I click the formula bar. Notice that the formula bar now shows a blinking cursor. This is not the mouse cursor. The mouse cursor is shown here. The formula bar cursor indicates the position where any letter or number you type in will be entered. Third, it's time to edit the formula. With the help of the left arrow key, I position the formula bar cursor just after the first letter C. Then I press the backspace key to delete the letter C. Now I type in the letter B. Now, with the help of the right arrow key, I place the formula bar cursor just after the second letter C. Then I press the backspace key to delete the letter C. Now I enter the letter B. Finally, I press the Enter key. As you can see, the formula in cell B3 has been corrected and displays 11 as its result.